day, sir, ma'am. I'm Fatima Poblador. I'm 40 years old. I live in San Joaquin, and I am married. And I finished my high school and in Italy at Istituto Apostoli di Santo Rosario and sold the college. I graduate as a teacher, and I have some training on Italian cuisine for 2 years. My work experience, I work also in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I have two employer, Miss Lau Kang Sin, and she lives at the Kowloon, Tokwawan Kowloon. And a British employer, my second employer is British, and they have one child.
Okay, with the first employer, you're working with a Hong Kong Chinese employer?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
For 2 years, I finished.
Starting when?
May 6, 2003.
Until
June 21st,
2005.
Yes.
How many are there in the house?
There are 4 in the house. I have to take care of 2 kids.
How old are the children when you were there
One
with
is 9
them?
and one is 14 years old.
And you're the only house helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Both mom and sir are working?
Yes,
And you have a good working relationship with your employer and the kids?
yes.
Okay, after that, you said you have
I have another
another...
employer, a British employer,
You
Mr.
start-
Terence Peter Bowes at the Netherlands.
What's their nationality?
British.
Okay, when did you start working?
I worked June 25, 2005.
So you mean to say from the first employer, transfer to the second employer?
Yes, ma'am. Because I finished the contract. After I finished the 2 years contract, my employer didn't take me anymore because he said that the kids are big
Why
enough
not?
to
Yeah.
take care of themselves. So I had to search for another employer. And luckily, I found Mr. Terence Peter Bowes, a very good employer, British employer. We have one daughter.
How
and-
old?
9 years old.
Okay.
Then
How long did you work with them?
only for 1 year
Why?
because they go abroad.
Go back
Go
home.
back
For good already.
For good already.
Okay, and then after that,
After that, at that time I searched for another employer, but also unfortunately my daughter gets sick, so I had to go back home because she had to undertake operation. Then and nobody could take her aside from, of course, her mother. So I had to go back home.
since then until now, you was not able to go back.
No.
So what are you doing? What is your source of income?
When when I go back home, then I search for jobs, some tutorials, and I work for some companies also.
You also mentioned that you have experience of preparing Italian cuisine. Where
Yes.
did you learn that experience?
In Italy, I work, no, not really I work, but I am an exchange student for our government, to Italian government.
When is that?
When I was 15,
Before you went to Hong Kong.
before I went to Hong Kong.
But you still know how to prepare Italian cuisine?
Yes, I know how to speak Italian very well.
Oh, really? You're French, you mean? No, Italian.
Italian,
Sorry.
yes.
Okay. And what Italian dishes you can prepare? What's your specialty?
A lot, like Italian pasta, anything I can cook. Saltin buca, but only one thing I know how to do, but I don't like really doing is baking because it's making dough is tiring me too much.
But you know how to do it in
Yes.
case employer. So even though your employer before in Hong Kong, you're also preparing those kind of dishes.
Yes,
Some, and then
if
they
they
like it
ask
also.
me in time of party or things, sometimes they relaxing, so they ask me to go do something.
So now you are ready to go back to Hong Kong.
Yes, very much. Really.
So how's your daughter now?
She's very good. She's okay.
Okay, so
she's
and
14. She's 14 years old and she knows how to take care of herself.
okay, how about your husband? Will allow you?
Yeah.
No problem. How about your own health? Any problem?
No, I am really very good. Really hard work.
How about Chinese cooking? You're also very good.
I can see very good, but I can't cook good.
You can prepare. Okay.
Yes.
You can also follow instructions.
Yes.
How about Chinese speaking? You can Cantonese? You can?
A little.
But you can understand.
Yes.
So anything you want to say in Italian? Yeah, final word for the maybe you're
Buongiorno signore, sono Fatima Poblador e voglio andare voglio servire a voi come aiutante nella vostra casa. Se qualcuno può prendermi per aiutarvi, eccomi a servire.
okay, how about Cantonese? You cannot, but
I cannot, but I can understand.
okay. Good luck to you.
Thank you.